So welcome back guys, this is another section of this tutorial. So this is the tax 8. So this is for the iframe section. This is the tags that follow the iframe section. So I want to be able to create this, what we have right over here in our browser, so that we can work with it. So if you, after watching the iframe video, just come here and do these tags, pause this video right now and do the tags on your own. So don't watch the video while doing the tags. So let's see if you've been able to learn something or not. So if you were unable to do it, still go back to the video and come back here also. So with that said, let's just jump right into it to do the tags. So to do it now, what you just have to do for this section, you have h1 here. So we type in the art bookshop. Bookshop. So save. So you can see the art bookshop. So the next one is the list underneath it. So to do that, I want to create list. So this is a UL list on ordered list. So we have LI. So we have home there. So the next image, we have new publication. In your own case, if you are unable to see it clearly, you can just add random text there. So this is contact. So by the time we save now, so you can see what we have right here now. You can see it. But if we check this image right here, this image we have here, you can see this section is in blue, but in our own case this is in just normal black color. So let's fix that. To fix that, let's just clear this place again. So we'll put in the li tag. So we have to link it, that's the a tag. So then we come inside this place, we type in home, then we save. So you can now see that it is showing in blue. So we type in the li, the a tag again, then we'll come right here, we put new publication. So we save. You can see it is in blue now. Type in li, type in a, we come here, we put contact, then we save. You can see now that we are now having the exact result. So underneath it again, I have like a paragraph. So you can just type Chang, that's Chang Crossroad, London. We have W32 UK. By the time we save now, so you can see we are having the same results. Underneath it again, paragraph, telephone, we have telephone. So we have number 020 8546, and then we have 098786. So let's just save. So let's come here. So you can see we are having the exact same results. So let's go under again. So we can decide to have a paragraph again. So we put in email, and we put this right over here. So we have a link here. We need to enter Ctrl Z. We have a link here. Ctrl Z. So just like href. So then we come inside here, we type in the email address. So that's book book at example.com. so then we save. So let's come right over here. So you can see we have book at example.com. so this is an iframe. We want to do that. We want to add it to our website again. So I think this is the address right here. This is the address. You can just decide to copy it. Then we come to our browser. We come right here. We type in Google Map. This is Google Map right here. So you click on this first one. So you come here, we paste, then we search for the address. So it's loading. So you can see what you have here. Just click on share, then go to embed a map. You copy HTML. So let's just close this. We come underneath here, we paste it. So we can just comment our code, iframes. So let's just close this. By the time we reload now, our map will display. So but we want it to come out the way it is here. So you can come here, change it to 300, and save. So the height also, let's give it 300 and save. So you can see now, I think this is still somehow big. Let's give it 250. So you can see now that it is showing the exact way we have it here. You can see. So what we need now is the escape character. So you just come here. Let's just comment this section. Escape character. So we save. So underneath the escape character now, so we just say and. So come here. We come to this section. We type in this and. Then we say copy, then semicolon. So what do we have here? So the art book. So the art bookshop. The art bookshop. Then we save. So you can see what you have here. Just to make it come underneath it, you come here, br/, then we save. So you can see what you have here, the art bookshop. By the time we come to our image, you can see we are having the exact same result. So that's that for this tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping out some content like this from time to time, so please help me hit the YouTube algorithm so that I can get this channel monetized. I can monetize this channel. So that will encourage me. Please subscribe, because your subscription is what will keep motivating me to work on this channel. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and invite your friends to who also need to know how to use HTML. So thank you guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.